Alright, so I just did these other eyebrow with the same brow boss. Now again, I don't feel like it's dark enough for me, so I'm actually going to have to put another eyebrow product on top of this. Go in with one of these angled brushes, go into my Maybelline It's 24K Nudes palette, and there's a dark black color in here. I'm actually going to wet, and you guys probably have seen this in my eyebrow tutorial. I'm first going to wet this with a spritz of water. And now that it's wet, I'm going to dip this in to this dark black eyeshadow. And now, because it's darker, I don't want to overpower the very beginning part of my eyebrow right here. I do want it to stay nice and natural there, so I'm actually just going to apply this from here. Now I'm going to use this spoolie brush, okay, to blend it in, especially with the front. So now you can see that this eyebrow is still natural looking, but it is a little bit darker than this one. So now I'm just going to go in and do the same thing on this side. Okay, so I just went and filled in both eyebrows. And of course now, after you put on your eyebrows, you want to highlight your eyebrows. And for highlighting my eyebrows today, I'm actually going to be using, oh my god, I'm so excited that I even have this. I bought this for my birthday from Sephora, the Match Stick Trio by Fenty Beauty. And this is the Deep 400 trio. And the packaging is amazingly cute. It's magnetic, we all know that, right? That magnetic shebang. So I'm gonna go in with the cream color. So I'm just gonna use this like generic brushes that I got off Amazon, but I'm gonna just go on here like so and go under the eyebrow. And then I'll just use the excess to clean off the top. And boom. It is raining really bad outside right now. And I have to be at work tomorrow. I'm actually also going to use the same shade to prime my eyelid. For foundation today, Nars, and this is the Sheer Glow foundation. It's the Illuminator. This is in the shade New Orleans. It's a dark 2 color, and it does not come with a pump, so you actually have to buy the pump separately. I didn't buy the pump separately, so at this point I'm just gonna go and use my fingers. But so far I absolutely love how this looks. It's like the perfect color. But I'm looking at the monitor and I look like the same color as its backdrop. So now I'm gonna move into highlighting. For highlight today, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Matte Stick Trio again, and I'm gonna use the color Suede. And I also seen some reviews that said this is not enough coverage, but I personally feel like I have enough coverage. And so I do want to go over a little bit with my Nars. Again, I have Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Cafe. Take your time when it comes to blending, guys, because you don't want to rush, okay? Because you're gonna come out looking like somebody, I don't know. I do want to spray a little bit. I don't have a high-end setting spray, so I'm just gonna go and use the same LA Girl Pro setting spray that I always use before I go and press on that setting powder. I'm actually going to go back on with my beauty blender to just press everything in, especially underneath the eyes. You want that to set. Oh, that looks so good already. I'm going to let this sit for like 2 seconds, and I have to check my phone because I just got a message and it was like, I'm just going to go with the LA Pro setting powder in the banana shade. This is like a face powder brush, so I'm gonna use this one. And now I am going to go and do a cream contour, and I'm gonna go with the Match Stick. I'm gonna show y'all what it does for me, okay? Okay, now I'm just going to blend this in with my beauty blender. I have 2 black Radiance palettes. Now these are not high-end, but I actually really love these. I love using them for setting my foundation shades and setting my contour. I'm going to go over my face with first the color Warm Hazelnut, which is like my normal foundation color. And now I'm going to go in with the darker shade, which is the shade of Ebony, and I'm going to use this to go into my contoured areas of the face. And I'm going to go in with one of these very smaller brushes to set my nose contour. I've been told that when you use cream products, you should always use your finger to apply first. So I'm going to go in on my finger. I think this is like a cream to powder. Boo! I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Oh my god, this palette is so beautiful. The colors are amazing, so pretty. And when you open it, you get all of these beautiful, oh my god, these colors are so pretty. Now I am going to go to one of my affordable makeup brands. Sorry, I try my best. And I'm going to go with this LA Girl palette. Once it's blended well, once everything is blended, it's like you have nothing to worry about because blending is like the biggest